Are you currently missing Instagram notes on your Instagram account right now? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do actually watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And as you can see, I do have like Instagram notes right here now, but before I didn't have it. So I actually tried one thing that I'm going to show you right now, and after that it just worked for me. So basically the first step is going to be for us to come into our profile right here. So go into your Instagram profile. Now when you're on your like profile right here, then you're going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now in here, click on settings and privacy, as you can see. And now we're just going to scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. So click on help in here. Now click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here. Click on include and continue, and then you should be taken here. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? And that is a great question. The reason why we need to come to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram support, and they're the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue of if we are missing Instagram notes. I did this exact same thing, and then it just worked for me. So now you need to write exactly like this for it to work. I am missing the feature to be able to add notes on my Instagram account. I need this to be fixed. So basically write exactly like this to them. I am missing the feature to be able to add notes on my Instagram account. I need this to be fixed. Even you can do like this. You can even write your Instagram username in here, just to make sure that this is the exact account that you're talking about. So if you know your Instagram username, then you can write it in here basically. And now when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner, click on send. After I did this, I just went back into my profile and I waited like 24 hours actually. And then I came back into my profile right here, and like I got like a notification that Instagram Notes is now available on your account. So basically, this is exactly how to fix missing Instagram Notes. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.